Good morning, lovely people. So it is officially Thanksgiving and I'm about to get ready for my Thanksgiving day because, you know, gotta be fresh in the living room. I usually don't even dress up Thanksgiving. I usually just wear some leggings and something. So that'll be like halfway through this year. I'm gonna be wearing some leggings, but I'm gonna put it on with a cute sweater and stuff. And yeah, I have to show y'all that. I have this box of sweaters sitting right here. It's a big box. I have this box of sweaters sitting right here that this company sent me, and I have to show y'all these because they're so, and I'm not just saying that, they're so beautiful. The quality is just like, y'all will see in a while. First, we're gonna get ready because I look a mess right now. So we're gonna do a little bit of makeup. I'm no makeup artist, so ain't no point in me telling y'all how to do anything because somebody needs to tell me. I already did my eyebrows, as you can see. I look crazy. I already did my eyebrows, and so now we need to conceal because we can't go out like this. Apparently these are really, well, I don't know if they're still bad for you, but I've seen some bad things about this, but I still like it, and I can't just stop using it. All right, let me shake my hair out and fluff it. Alright y'all, so it's time for the fun part, and that's showing all these sweaters I got. So a company called Qualfort from Amazon sent me these. They actually sent my friend Rachel some too. So it's more than just me vouching for these sweaters. Like, she got some too and she absolutely adores them. I'll link her YouTube down below. She actually like specializes in like wigs and sew-ins and stuff like that, so if you like things like that, she does some really bomb ones. I can't do that for you, but if you're looking for that, she's super pretty and she does some really bomb wigs and stuff on herself. She said she got hers and they were so thick, like they're just, these sweaters just scream quality. Like, let me stop talking and show y'all these sweaters. I have this one. I was nosy as always. You can see the Qualfort packaging, and I was wondering like, why is this box so heavy if it's just like some sweaters? Because they're good quality. Yeah, it's this black like kind of button down cardigan type of sweater. It's super heavy. Like, this is, look at it, like it even looks good, like it's thick. But yeah, I love the quality on it. So I'm gonna try it on for y'all, of course. Of course you could wear it open, but I also recommend, you know, you can do the fully button through look, like button it all the way down. I might put some leggings on for y'all or something. I can do something. This isn't how I really wear it because I want to be a little more stylish, but yeah, something cozy, and you can wear it like with no shirt underneath and just have it as the top itself and do the off the shoulder look. I'll insert a picture because I did something kind of like that. If they ever want to send me some more stuff, I'm not gonna complain. My mom, like, I was showing her this stuff and she was like, oh my gosh, she was like, I'm about to go in there and get my own sweaters because these are so good. And you know, she's really big into quality and stuff. I guess I'll show y'all the dress. They sent me a sweater dress. And so I'm just gonna layer it on top of what I got on right now so y'all can see it. I wish I was upstairs in my room because I have a full, humongous, full body mirror. And that would have been ideal for showing y'all this dress. But we about to show y'all in my mama's ghetto here. So this thing is warm. I'm wearing it with leggings right now, don't make fun of me. Why am I not mad at it with leggings underneath? Super thick little sweater dress. Boom. I'm trying to move fast because my man's just got here and trying not to leave him hanging for too long. All right, so this sweater is like the biggest thing that they're doing right now for the holiday season. And just wait till y'all see it. So yeah, it's a Christmas sweater, you know, for your ugly Christmas sweater parties, but I personally don't think it's ugly. Now they do have like the stereotypical ugly Christmas sweaters online too, but this is the one I chose. And it just says ho 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 all over it. This is a heavy sweater, y'all. These things is heavy. All right, so the best part about this sweater, wait for it, if I can figure this out. Hey, is that not lit? Like, it's so subtle, but like, it's so cute. It's made me so happy. I'm not even like a big holiday person, but y'all gotta get y'all one of these sweaters. Like, I've never been like a Christmas sweater person, but it's got like the little bulbs and they shine and shimmer. Like, let me turn it off. Can't be wasting my batteries. But they do give you a backup battery pack, so that's good. You can wear it next year, girl. I actually do plan on wearing one of my sweaters they gave me today. So that was really why I wanted to show y'all in this video, because I'm gonna wear one of them for the rest of the day in this video. My mom likes to call this one the Cosby sweater. It's got these little boutons on it. Look at that. This looks kind of rich. I feel rich in this sweater. So yeah, you can see the little Qualfort tag. Like, it's an Amazon brand. You could wear this one open and whatnot, or you could button it all the way down. And I'm probably gonna button it all the way down today. This is the sweater. I love this. Very heavy, very cozy. Y'all, I love these cardigans and sweaters with just a little bit of the white tee poking underneath. And then my little gold necklace. I need to put some deodorant on. There's a lot of clothes. One thing I gotta worry about in this sweater is getting cold. And we're gonna need this layer because we're gonna have a bonfire later and y'all are gonna come with. Let's get ready to go see the fam bam.
And my mom doesn't say anything.
No.
We gossiping, let me. And cut! Let's see the boots. Hey, the boy fresh. Why are you being shamed? Don't lick your lips to the camera. Who are you?
Radiators, because it's just free heat.
We would warm our towels.
Hey, Daddy.
Hi, baby.
This my daddy. What we look alike? I'm asking them.
Oh, what did they say?
We don't know yet. Hey, Jaya and Tavez, the happy couple. Too happy. No, Jaya be hugging him all hours of the day. It's okay. It's cute. I'm ready for the wedding.
Yeah, I was just giving you some insight if you wanted to bring it with you. Like,
Bone apple tea.
you'll, when you go and turn in, go check in.
God, she likes
You tell
pulp.
them, hey, dog, if
You
had a
said
dog,
you brought what now?
Drinks.
What is it?
have to go take it.
Let's go get them.
So,
Dang.
Oh.
area. I want to put them in the same place.
Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. Hit him. You ain't ready for this? Oh, I ain't ready for it. I ain't ready. Ooh, ooh, ooh. What is you doing? Come on. At least do a little whoa. Oh.
I'm ready for that real stuff.
Hey, Grandma.
How you doing that?
Grandma, we gotta link arms.
Huh?
We gotta link arms and do it.
I know what Lincoln arms is.
Ready?
Yeah, ready. Let's go.
You gotta sip it, Grandma. Come on,
I
Grandma.
know it.
Happy Turkey Day.
So just in case you pass out, you can pass out.
It's shine.
It's all gonna taste better than that.
What's wrong?
Oh, you didn't know about that. That illegal stuff that they used to make back in the
I'm gone.
Say it.
Say it, girl. You are sweet. You are sweet.
very wine.
Hey! Yes, it's wrong. Girl, I stay strung out all the time. Hey!
That's the Alabama backwoods rendition right
That's
now.
right. No.
Jordan, I know you ain't putting that on you. She put that on you too.
Rendition of
No, she wasn't getting.
the diaper.
Some orange juice.
That ain't orange juice. Yeah, my dad made a little ghetto fire pit down there that we're gonna use. And that should be fun. I think we're gonna make s'mores, but I don't even know if they got s'more stuff, so I don't know what they plan on putting on them sticks.
I do.
I see you over there.
I don't know.
Hey!
You gotta embrace it a little bit.
How to play.
I just want to know like the general when
Make your own rules and play the way you want. That's what you're going to do anyway.
In the song Laffy Taffy, who was Mr. Chickle Stick looking for? Was it A, Miss Jolly Rancher? B, it's y'all turn, right?
yeah.
Miss Coke Bottle? C, Miss Milky Way? Or D, Miss Bubblegum?
Okay. I'll go with
So I'm headed down the stairs outside because we're about to make s'mores. Look at them all down there. You got it, yeah. Got my stick.
Hey, what did that thing hit me?
perfect. That's perfect.
Look at that. Blow it out, boy, burn up.
It's hot.
Get up on it.
I can't. It's hot.
You know where the short stop is on McBride Road? The little gas station?
Yeah.
Right.
Oh, that's hot.
What?
Oh, Lord, you scared me.
I swear.
Oh, hey, your uncle up.
What up,
What up, Greg?
Hello, Jordan. Oh, no, thank you. No s'mores for me.
I just need a piece of chocolate.
How you do it?
Oh, yeah, put the marshmallow right here on the fork.
Uh-huh.
Get the
Fork?
marshmallow good and hot.
Right.
Cajun style early on that.
Now you're a s'more kind
Then
of
you put the, make a sandwich.
Y'all, he make a YouTube channel. Y'all gonna follow?
Yes, y'all better. Follow me.
What's your noise you like to make?
And
Got bald head over here.
What's up, guys?
Daphne Patterson.
Y'all be nice to my little niece on YouTube. Yeah.
What you gonna do?
Hey, I'll find him. I'll find the IP address.
Oh, that's what you gonna
I'm a
do?
real gangster.
Oh, period. I'm about to go. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.
Stilettos on my feet. I'm sexy with a mug. Stilettos. We rockin' stilettos. We rockin' stilettos. I'm booking all y'all haters just to see if y'all crumbs. We swinging, throwing bows, cause y'all